Hey, Dewey McDonald here from Guarantee RV. We're going to take a look at this mobile suite, the DRV, the 36. So we'll go inside here in a minute and we'll go through the inside and outside with you. All right, coming inside this DRV, the 36. So as you walk into the door on the right hand side, you got some storage closet right here in the front with some shelves beside you here with a pantry. Then you're looking straight at your residential fridge with the freezer on the bottom. And then this has the brand new insignia, the residential 4-burner gas cooktop with a nice big glass oven door. So this is the newer. It's got the convection microwave. So more shelvings are around the, the stove. You got an island here that has LED lights in it. Cabinets everywhere on these. I mean, they're built. This is one of our top of the line fifth wheels. So they're thicker walls. They have, residential plumbing, filtered water system, and these guys are awesome. So it's got a big fireplace. Got a great big TV that the recliners sit across. You got power recliners. The MCD shades, LED lights everywhere. Nice table and chairs. And you got a hide-a-bed, but big windows all the way around. Lots of lighting, lots of, it's just pretty unit. I mean, you got the nice lighter cabinetry. So as you walk up into the bedroom, on the right, you got your bathroom there. Nice big shower, toilet. You got pantry inside there to keep your towels and stuff. On the left, you've got a closet slide with the bedroom slide that your washer and dryer goes in. And in the front, there's a closet. And then across from the bed, you've got cabinets there. Dresser and stuff. So beautiful unit. Inside here you got all LED lights. It's got the whisper quiet AC, ceiling fan. When you go on the outside, you can see if you open up the bay, so see through all the way, walk through bay, looks see through all the way through, enter from both sides. You can see the residential plumbing, copper tubing, filtered water. These are pre-wired for a generator, so this has 2 ACs on it. You got a lot of storage. You got outdoor showers. I mean, this has got the beautiful paint. They call it partial body paint. I mean, when the slides are in, then it's full body, but they don't put the paints on the sides of the slides anymore. But like I said, this is a beautiful unit. So ladder going up the back with a bike rack on the rear. All right, thanks again for looking over this DRV. Dewey McDonald here from Guarantee RV. So if you're looking for truck campers, fifth wheels, toy haulers, motorhomes, you name it, come see me, Dewey McDonald, Guarantee RV.